The much awaited exodus to the back porch has happened. Got my top shelf in finally. Rolling some clean smoke. Eventually this back porch will be knocked out to where there's no walls on it, but got a fire ripping in there.
Hi! Hi!
Oak trailer decking. Torched it and oiled it for the shelf. Cardboard monitoring the lower and upper shelf. About 50 degrees difference. Ashcroft gauge. Boiled linseed patina on it. Ooh, that is hot. Just got the top shelf in it. That's definitely going to be the hot spot right there. It's done. Three-eighths on the door, and this plate here is three-eighths.
What is this green stuff? What is
Something I would not eat.
What?
Made my valve out of a brake chamber push rod. There it is.
Here's what?
It's done.